Ready to unlock the full potential of Vapi Ai and turn it into a memory master that remembers everything you tell it? Let's dive into how to integrate memory, allowing Vapi Ai to retain information and context, creating an AI that understands and truly knows you first. You'll need to understand the concept of persistent storage. Think of this as the AI's notebook, where everything it learns gets recorded. This is where the long-term memory resides. Next, you need to decide how to represent and store your data. What data will you store? How is it organized? And what type of storage do you prefer? Consider using techniques such as vector databases, which helps efficiently index and search across vast amounts of knowledge. Now, think about how the AI processes new information when a user interacts with Vapi Ai. Determine how new data is extracted and stored from the conversation. This essentially sets up the AI to be able to learn from the new interactions. Next, make sure your data is consistently structured for easy retrieval. Finally, incorporate a retrieval mechanism. When a user poses a new question, search through the stored memory for relevant context. Remember, the more advanced this process, the better your AI will respond. Now you have your own memory-enhanced Vapi Ai. This will lead to more personalized, relevant, and dynamic outputs. Consider it a win-win that improves the user experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips. #AI memory #VAPI Ai.